Today you'll learn, what is the purl stitch? The purl stitch is the second basic knitting stitch and creates bumps that add texture to fabric.
I've cast on all my stitches and I'm ready to purl now. Got my needles and the yarn is hanging down from this first stitch here in the front. That's what you need to have when you do purl, is the yarn has to be here in the front. And you're going to take your right hand needle and insert it into the loop here on your left hand needle from right to left. Take the yarn between the two needles, push this tip down, and you can see the new stitch here coming on to the right hand needle, and you drop that old one off the left needle. You can kind of tug on the yarn to make the stitch even and tighter. Go into the next one, yarn around, push that one down and out and off, and you're purling. This is the other stitch of knitting. And when you purl, you see these little bumps that form. These are called the purl bumps. And that's the purl stitch.